Well guys, here's the new bike, the 2020 CRF 250R. This is probably my fourth week of having it, and we already got parts in. Nothing much, just cosmetics. We got all new plastics, stadium plate, because that's all I run my bikes. And yeah, I'm on the dig in right now, which I'd usually wait because I want to do a little video of all my parts. But this isn't like that big of a deal, so I guess we'll start recording with this. I'll just add it into the other video. So it's December 13th right now, and we're gonna start digging into the bike. So let's go. See, I got all the plastics on. I think I'm gonna throw this seat cover on. That's why I did not bolt the seat up. And I'm gonna throw the handguards on, and that'll be a wrap on today's video. So looks really good. I definitely like this look. I gotta order $1,500 more parts, or $2,000 worth of parts now, because I'm thinking about getting exhaust. So I'm thinking about getting Yoshi's for this bike, just to slip on now. I'm not gonna get the full system, and then we'll do that. Yeah, I'm gonna put the handguards on now. What is up, guys? Okay, bud, okay. We're back.
I got a lot of daddy's money.
Yep. We're back, and we're gonna make the video. What are we gonna do today, Jack?
I think we're gonna send this bike off a cliff.
Sounds about right, you know?
With some diesel stuff.
Yep. Anyways, though, we're gonna move the e-start to this side and fucking do that shit. And same for the 20. Waiting on parts.
Hey, yeah, show this.
Hey, might be that.
Hey, bud.
Oh, dude, that's perfect. I love that. Love it. Holy fuck. Perfect.
And then also this, we figured out a new way to run the...
No, I tightened it. Oh, shit.
Well, you gotta ride like this when you race. So, like, your wrists don't get sore.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
And then when you want to fan it, you gotta go like this.
Yep, that's how you do it right there, bud. That's how you do it.
We only have it like this for looks.
Oh, it's only for looks. Yeah. Honestly. Alright, let's go! Yeah, there she goes. Oh, there she goes. So now we're gonna move this. Just let it dangle for now. Until we get the e-start over to this side. Now we're gonna take the bar pad off. Start. Chill! Yeah. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Dude, what are you doing, dude? Dude, what are you doing? Oh boy. Okay.
Those fingernails.
We look at
Working man's hands.
Yes, sir.
Stoy.
Dude, I can't. Let's just strip it out, actually. You know, that sounds like a fun time.
Dude, I like your bar pad. It's a nice bar
It
pad.
honestly is. It does
So
the
when you
job.
get tired, you can ride like this.
It honestly does the job, honestly.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
gonna lie, dude. It honestly does it. Gotta put your force into it. Really, Honda? We're gonna really tighten this goddamn watch. I love it. Love it. Screwdriver just ain't doing it, bud. Gotta put your force into it right here. Yep, love it.
You gotta love it. Well, just do it with your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I got it.
Yep, you know, that will do it, honestly. I like having my kill switch here. Help.
The old hands can't do it.
These goddamn thing's dirty as fuck.
Those muscles will have enough to get the Honda bolts off. The little tiny ones. Right? Come on. Oh, we're going on an adventure. Fucking go. Fuck you. Oh, I can't see.
Look out, there's a car there.
Oh, shit.
Kidding.
Alright, boys, we made it to the shop.
We sure have.
What kind of daddy's money we got in here?
This one.
That
They're
one?
brand new too. Let's go.
Let's go. Yo, you better bring the almonds too. Yeah, gotta get that fiber.
Yes, sir. Lock me out of my own damn garage. If you're dodging a train. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She does it. See, we're not gonna break this zip tie because it's undoable.
Got it off.
Yes, sir.
What?
Yep, I know, isn't it wild?
Whoa!
Whoa, dude. Whoa.
Whoa. See, this is a real bike. You see this? CR600 right here. To smoke. Right? CR600.
Yep. Best bike on the planet.
She's real tight. How tight?
Tighter than a virgin on prom night, if you ask me.
Nice.
Probably have to put this sucker right there.
Yoshi who? Yoshimura.
Yeah. God damn it.
What you doing, bud?
I'm trying to do this now. Is this even...
They put on the new exhaust?
Yeah. Fuck, this is actually too wide right there.
Nah.
Yeah, it is. What am I gonna do? It's not gonna fit. I think so. Ah. Gotta have the bars this way. Fuck! Okay.
You're out tuning the skid plate?
Not that one.
Oh boy.
Let's go. Shit.
He's in there, bud.
You think so? Why is this not working? God damn it, I gotta cut it. It's not coming out. Stop. I'll fucking kill you.
This thing, that's gotta be in kilometers an hour. There. I measured the speed in kilometers.
Yep. Old toboggan.
This one?
Oh, you know
This one is not
old toboggan,
in
but
kilometers an hour.
no
gotta add the kilometers. I repeat, no kilometers.
In the Great White North.
Yes, sir.
It approves.
I approve. I approve. Alright, boys. Now it's time to go to this bike. As Patrick calls it, the junk practice bike that it just throws around and doesn't take any care of. Look how dirty it is. Look how dirty it is. So dirty.
Alright, so what we're gonna
Junk
do.
ass practice bike, right?
Yeah, shitty.
Piece of shit.
We'll show them 85.
Oh shit. Going here. Where's the fucking light? Oh, it is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, whoa. Here's the beast. Listen to this. Oh, and then we also got the 80 back here, just collecting dust. It's not even a valve cover on me. Where is she at? Oh, the valve cover is on it. Excuse me. But yeah, got the fresh plastics on there and the seat. This bike's just going to shit. Flat tire. Here's Patrick's car. He usually drives this to Cortland to buy his meth. Oh, I'd say she goes about 8 kilometers an hour, bud.
So I just took the number plate off. I put the electrical tape in here and right there. So it's not going to be rubbing up against my forks like it did with that bike. So we're mint. So let's go. I also got that all figured out, so we're good.
What the fuck?